हाँ आला बाप रे so beautiful and they are not guys. Moini has gone for the safari. There was only one seat remaining in the spot booking, so I sent her and now I am going to go to Chandrapur. This is the beginning of the road to Chandrapur. As you can see, not too many cars and bikes right now, although locals use this road quite often. My main concern is if it starts raining. If it starts raining hard, then I'm gonna have to keep going because you're not allowed to stop on this road. There is a tea stall not far from here, about 20 kilometers, 15-20 kilometers. I'm gonna go there and have a cup of tea. Hopefully it doesn't come crashing down because I can see some clouds over there. Guys, this is main tiger territory. I've done this road multiple times in the past 3 days. This is probably the last time I'm going to be doing it today. If I spot something, great. If I don't, then I'm going to have to leave Tadoba tomorrow. So fingers crossed. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to react if a tiger crosses this road. Sightings here are extremely common. I have not seen a tiger so far. Let's see. I am alone on the Duke right now, so I am a lot faster and a lot more nimble. Even so, it is quite unnerving to be out here like this in this weather. Let's see what we can spot. But I'm going to maintain a decent speed so I can brake, and if I have to take a U-turn, I can do so quickly, because guys, tigers are seen very frequently in this area. Let's go. I just hope it doesn't start raining heavily. I think it already is. I can see some rain over there. Maybe it's not a good idea after all. Let's turn back. Let's turn back. Let's turn back because it is raining. It's going to rain heavily in that direction. Let's try doing this road when it's not raining. Oh man, even the Jeep guys are opening up their top. I think I should go back to the village because my GoPro is in the media mod. I don't want it to get spoiled, and secondly, I don't want to get wet. I already am a little bit, but if I go to one of the tea stalls, then I should be okay. But if I keep riding in the rain, I'm going to get completely drenched. Don't want that. So see you at the tea stall. Woo! I am soaked. Fuck, I better get back to safety. Woo! There is a tea stall nearby. Shit. Ooh. Woo. Drenched in Tadoba rain. Woo. Shit. Shit. Oh my god. Woo. Lately soaked. I think the forest didn't want me to enter right now. This would be a good time to have a cup of chai. I am soaked. Stall is closed right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Woo! Where do I stop? Unbelievable. Where did this rain come from? Okay guys, let's try to get back into the buffer zone one more time. This time I've got my storm wear out. I'll breathe before the light fades. Before the light fades, I think we can give it another shot. Buffer zone begins about 1 kilometer from here. It is still raining, it's still cloudy, but I think now with this, at least the upper half is not going to get wet. We'll see what happens if it starts raining heavily. For now, I'm moving towards the buffer zone. Keep watching. These fields reminds me of the scene in Ghost in the Darkness. Although in that movie I think there's more like this savanna grass, but you know, you can almost see the silhouette of the tiger walking through these farms. The guy who got killed about 10-15 days ago was working in a farm, and that area is about 2 kilometers away from where I am just now. This is the beautiful lake on the right. Beautiful. And this is where the buffer zone begins. Now beyond this point, you cannot stop your bike. The only time you're allowed to stop is if there's an animal crossing, as one of the many animals that can cross this road. Yeah, only then you are supposed to stop on the side, and if it is risky, then you just take a U-turn. But other than that, you are not allowed to stop on this road. So it is 5:10 just now. Mohini's safari is going to get over at 6:30. So I reckon I have about 1 hour to go closer to Chandrapur, have a cup of chai. I'll get to ride through the buffer zone. This is all buffer zone. If you stop here, there's a fine of 5,000 rupees. It must be written somewhere. So I'm gonna go have a cup of chai and then take the same road back and then go pick Mohini up. By then she will be done with the safari. So all in all, it could be a 1 hour ride. Right now it is fine. After some time it's going to get dark, and then yeah, it does get quite scary. Knowing that there are tigers anywhere, they cross this road frequently, and also there are some aggressive young tigers who are known to chase two-wheelers. Guys, I'm not exaggerating. This is all info that I kept collecting from the villagers and guides and forest officials. Yeah, they don't always behave this way, but there is a chance that they can. So you have to be alert. It stopped raining, but I can see some fog now. Yeah, the whole road is starting to get a bit foggy. Let's see. Speak in the atmosphere, guys. This is tiger territory, the hot spot of tigers here in Maharashtra and in India. I have done this road like 7 or 8 times up till now in the past 3 days. So far, no sightings. I haven't seen even a single private guy use this road. All the guys going on the two-wheelers are locals over here. This is the point where you'll always find the forest guards. They're always standing here. They're always out here. I've seen them every single time. I don't know why they stop exactly at that point, but yeah, that's where they are. These are the roads that the jeep safaris and campers take. You keep coming in and out of this road. This is the buffer zone. A car slows down or stops at the side of the road, your heart skips a beat. Just don't know what could be in these bushes. But so many times I asked them, and when I saw cars parked on the side of the road, I asked them what did they spot, and they said they spotted peacocks. See, these are locals in H34. These are the ones who use this road every day for work and then to go back home. But no outsiders apart from me. In the past 3 days at least. I'm not saying I'm the only one who does this, obviously. But yeah, I'm one of the few. Let me say that much. Nice. Lovely. So beautiful. are not scared. Of course, they are used to traffic on this road. I am waiting to see the king of the jungle. Waiting to see him. We are at Agarzari Safari Gate as well as Deoda Adegaon Safari Gate. These are the two gates that come in between while going to Chandrapur. You can stop over here, but once this road starts again, you are not allowed to stop. Kilometers of range remaining, and there is no petrol pump nearby, so it's going to be a bit tight. That's why I am hesitating going over this road again and again, because I don't want to burn fuel, but at the same time I want to increase my chances of spotting a tiger. Locals say there is a very high chance you could see one when it's crossing the road or when it's sitting at the side of the road or something like that. Let's see. But yeah, 50 to 60 kilometers of range remaining. This could probably be the last time I do this round before it's time to head back home. And this is the town of Agarzari. This is the settlement that comes inside the forest. Yeah, this is the Jaiwala I'm talking about. I'm just thinking to go a little bit further ahead. Okay, so you've got this town of Agarzari, then again there's the jungle, and then comes the town of Chandrapur. There is a check post right before Chandrapur. Basically, that gate closes for the day at 6 PM, which means no one will be allowed to come inside after 6 PM. So the petrol pump is outside that gate. Obviously I don't want to take a chance, because I could go there and I can fill petrol, but for whatever reason if they don't allow me to come back inside, then it's going to be a bit of a problem. I came here because I wanted to show you guys a temple, and I can see a tiger statue kept in there. I've never seen that before. A temple for the tigers, a tiger temple. How amazing. These kind of roads are nice because you have an opening before the jungle begins, so there is a good chance to spot something if it is coming towards the road. Yeah, now this road goes to Chandrapur. You see there's so many of these smaller entry and exit points where only the Jeep safaris can go. Right, so I think it's time to take a U-turn, go have a cup of chai, a quick 10-minute halt, because by the time I start moving back home towards my village of Mohorli, it's going to start getting dark, and yeah. And also I have to pick up Mohini from her safari. Let's go back to Agarzari and have a cup of chai. Keep watching. Fine of 5,000 rupees if you stop on this road. Tiger temple once again. I can definitely slow down. This is the tiger temple. Amazing, right? There's another smaller statue of a tiger over there. Interesting. I wonder how old they are. At this point, of course, you can stop. They put some statues over here. Two tigers fighting. Deer, tiger and a child. Indian gaur. Bears, sloth bears. I think there was a fight between Chota Matka and another tiger, I forget the name, in which Chota Matka got injured and the other tiger died, if that is what I remember correctly. See, this is Butterfly World at Agarzari. Lots of butterflies inside the Pahar. The ticket is, entry ticket is 50 rupees. Let's go have a cup of chai here. दादा एक चहा मिळेल का? एक चहा द्या ना.
अमोल भाऊ द्यायचा का पैसे घेऊन जा की पूर्ण सगळं पूर्ण
This guy is really good.
कचरा पिकले सवाल झाला अरे अजय पार्सल पाहिजे
Alright, back into the jungle. तिकडले करतात का?
सीतारामपेठ आणि गोडेगावच्या मधामध्ये
हां हां
टोल नाका आहे
हां हां हां
तेवढ्यामध्ये ते चार्ज करतात.
तिथे चार्ज करतात. टू व्हीलर मागे धावतात का काय? धावतात ना.
काल काय म्हणतात त्याला याले घेतो पकडून नाही का तीसपल्ली
हो का? पकड
हा व्हिडिओ
बघू, व्हिडिओ बघू. हा कुठला रस्ता आहे?
हा वा मूल चंद्रपूर नाही
या-
मूल चंद्रपूर
या साईडला. अच्छा हां हां आला.
सांभाळून करे
बापरे खतरनाक.
ते सेपरेट कपच करतात.
हा दुसरा
तो मेल फुल म्हणजे फुल ग्रोन जो
ज्या माणसाला
हां हां ते जे लहान असतात जरा वेळाने त्यांनी.
कारण
अरे
ते त्यावेळेस बिहेवियरच तसं राहतं.
हां
तर त्यांना एरिया पण पाहिजे, एरियासाठी ते फिरतात.
एरियासाठी लढतात ते.
मायग्रेशन त्याच्यामध्ये पुन्हा जास्त वाढतं.
हे किती दिवसापूर्वीची गोष्ट?
काल परवा काल हा कालची आहे.
चालेल. ओके दादा, थँक्यू. It's best to stay close to a vehicle. Get back to the safety of Moharli village. It's getting dark. Damn. Okay. Damn, that guy's leg was completely torn. Fuck. Alright. So, getting dark. Man, these car guys, idiots. Quarter to 6. That tiger charged like a two-wheeler guy, man. It's raining like crazy. My GoPro gets wet. I don't care. I'm not going to stop on this road, especially after the video that I just saw. Back to safety, only for a moment, for the jungle a bit unsafe around these cars because these buggers will roll up their windows if they see a tiger and they will block the road. I will have no place to go. I've seen videos where the car has just stopped in the middle of the road and there's a two-wheeler guy nearby. My heart is pacing right now. I don't want to go on this road at 8 kilometers per hour. Guys, this is one of the scariest experiences I've had. Solo through a buffer zone where there are aggressive tigers. And sometimes I don't know why I do what I do. Most of the guys on two-wheelers are double seat. I'm the only solo guy right now on a two-wheeler. Made it out alive. Made it out alive. Crazy. Woo! So this was the hotel we were staying for the first one night. Hotel Tiger Inn. Nice place. Also, I really like our current homestay as well. Okay, I would like to have a plate of Maggi somewhere. Guys, the attack that took place where the man was killed by a tiger is down this road. About 1.5 kilometers, and the core area starts in 1 kilometer in that direction. अपना वाइफ गई अंदर तो फिर अभी मैं रुका हूँ यहाँ पे. मैं जहाँ तक मैं चंद्रपुर तक जाके आया लेकिन नहीं दिखा कहीं पे. हाँ, डियर दिखे लेकिन बाकी कुछ नहीं. आपका नाम क्या है?
राजेंद्र शेंडे.
राजेंद्र शेंडे. ओके, अच्छा लगा मिलके.
अंदर घूमना टाइम में मजा आया तो.
हाँ, 6:30 बजे आएगा ना वापस. क्रूज़र 6:30 बजे आएगा ना. ठीक है चलेगा. मैं होटल जाके आता हूँ 1-10 मिनट में. ओके, थैंक यू. नाइस मैन, नाइस. This is where we had our breakfast today morning.